So, you've used ChatGPT. Everyone has. It's the Kleenex of large language models. But here's the thing. The smartest students in 2025, they've already moved on. The AI world is evolving fast, and ChatGPT isn't the only game in town anymore. There's a new wave of specialized AI systems quietly outperforming ChatGPT. Today, I'll show you 5 cutting-edge AIs that are changing how students, creators, and tech insiders work. Imagine an AI that can watch a lecture and give you perfect notes, or read a semester's worth of textbooks to help you write a thesis. These tools are here now, and they're all about working smarter, not harder. We'll break down their strengths, weaknesses, unique features, and price because budget matters. Stick around. One of these tools is helping students make passive income, and it's probably not the one you expect. Let's dive in. First up, Google Gemini 1.5 Pro, the heavyweight with more data than anyone. If ChatGPT is a Swiss Army knife, Gemini is a Leatherman with every tool you could want. Its superpower? A massive 1 million token context window. That's like uploading the entire Lord of the Rings trilogy and asking about a single character's journey. For students, this means you can feed it hours of lectures, full textbooks, or folders of research, and Gemini can analyze it all at once. Drop in a 45-minute video lecture, and it'll give you a detailed, time-stamped study guide. It's not just text. Gemini handles video, audio, images, and code natively. Plus, it's deeply integrated with Google's ecosystem. It can pull from your Drive, analyze sheets, and draft emails in Gmail, all with context. Real-time Google search access means you get up-to-the-minute info, not outdated snapshots. The interface is clean and intuitive, encouraging you to experiment with different file types and complex prompts. Pricing? The top-tier Gemini Advanced is about $20/month, bundled with Google One AI Premium, which also gives you extra drive storage. There's a free, slightly less powerful version for everyday tasks. The key, Gemini is built for scale. If you need to process huge volumes of mixed media, it's unbeatable. Creators can feed it past scripts, and it'll learn your style to help brainstorm or draft new content. The learning curve is gentle, but the power is immense. Downsides? The $20/month price tag and potential privacy concerns with Google. But for handling large, complex projects, Gemini 1.5 Pro sets a new standard. It's not just a chatbot, it's a true collaborator. If you need to see the whole forest, not just a tree, Gemini is your tool. For students and creators who want to work at scale, it's a game changer. The future of AI is here, and Gemini is leading the charge. Whether you're writing essays, analyzing data, or creating content, Gemini's capabilities are hard to beat. It's the research assistant you always wished you had. For those ready to level up, Gemini is the next step. But remember, with great power comes a subscription fee. Choose wisely. Next up is Claude 3 from Anthropic, the AI known for thoughtful, reliable, and nuanced responses. If Gemini is about scale, Claude is about depth and precision. Its top-tier Opus model excels at complex tasks, analyzing dense academic texts, deconstructing legal documents, and debugging code. Claude's writing style is refined and human-like, making it a favorite for essays, creative writing, and professional communication. Anthropic's focus on safety means Claude is less likely to generate harmful or biased content, huge for students and academics. Its context window is 200,000 tokens, enough for full books or detailed reports. Upload a 300-page PDF, and Claude can summarize, critique, and suggest improvements with ease. There are 3 versions: Haiku, fastest; Sonnet, free, balanced; and Opus, most powerful, $20/month. The interface is minimalist and text-focused, perfect for deep reading and writing but not for video or audio. Claude is the scholar, ideal for those who need quality, reliability, and nuanced understanding. Its long-term memory in a session is a major plus for iterative work like business plans or novel outlines. If your work is text-heavy and you demand top-tier reasoning and writing, Claude 3 is your best bet. It's less about flash, more about substance. For humanities, law, or anyone who values depth, Claude is the go-to. It's a smart, responsible collaborator you can trust. If you want the highest quality text analysis, Claude is unmatched. For those who care about ethics and safety, it's a clear winner. The choice between Gemini and Claude, scale versus depth. For text, Claude is king. For everything else, look elsewhere. Claude 3, the scholar in the room. If you need precision, this is your tool. For students who want to go deep, Claude delivers. Now, let's talk about Grok from XAI, Elon Musk's entry, and the most controversial of the bunch. Grok's defining feature? Real-time integration with X, formerly Twitter. It taps directly into the live global conversation, giving you up-to-the-second insights on breaking topics. For trend spotting, journalism, or market research, Grok is unmatched. But it's not just about data, Grok has a personality. In fun mode, it's witty, sarcastic, and edgy, like bantering with a clever friend. For creative brainstorming or unconventional takes, it's brilliant. For formal work, stick to regular mode. Grok shines in STEM, coding, and research with strong reasoning and problem-solving skills. Access is only through X Premium Plus, $16/month, bundled with the social platform. The interface is built into X, making it easy to jump from trending topics to instant analysis. Grok is for users who crave real-time info and a bit of attitude. It's perfect for journalists, market researchers, and anyone who wants to stay ahead of the curve. Development is rapid, with new versions rolling out fast and open sourcing on the horizon. But remember, Grok's perspective is shaped by X's unique culture and biases. It's powerful, fast, and opinionated, but not always neutral. Use it with a critical eye. For those who want the pulse of the internet, Grok is the rebel tool. It's not for everyone, but for the right user, it's a game changer. If you want real-time, unfiltered insights, Grok delivers. For STEM and trend analysis, it's a top pick. Just know what you're getting into. Grok the rebel with a data feed. For the bold and curious, it's a must-try. Now let's head to the open-source frontier with DeepSeek V2. Unlike the big tech giants, DeepSeek is open source. Developers can inspect, modify, and build on it. It's a powerhouse, especially in coding, math, and logical reasoning. For computer science, engineering, or math students, DeepSeek is a beast. Its mixture of experts architecture routes tasks to specialized networks, making it efficient and powerful. The result? High-quality responses with less computing power. It's largely free for individuals with a super affordable API for developers. Open source means rapid community improvement, bugs get fixed, features added, and new tools built fast. The interface is simple and developer-friendly, focusing on raw power over polish. DeepSeek is for those who want top performance in technical domains without the $20/month fee. It's ideal for developers, researchers, and anyone who values transparency. The trade-off: fewer consumer features and less ecosystem integration. But for coding and math, it's a raw engine of intelligence. DeepSeek proves open source can compete, and sometimes surpass, closed giants. It's the people's champion for accessible, collaborative AI. If you want to build, tinker, or just need raw technical power, DeepSeek is your tool. For students and developers who want control and performance, it's unbeatable. DeepSeek V2, open, powerful, and ready for anything. Finally, meet Mistral Large from Paris, a model built for speed, efficiency, and privacy. Mistral's open-weight philosophy lets anyone download and run the model locally, a huge win for privacy and data security. It's incredibly efficient. Some models run on consumer hardware, making offline AI a reality. Imagine a powerful assistant on your laptop, no internet required. Mistral Large competes with GPT-4 and Claude 3 Opus, excelling in reasoning and multilingual tasks. It's natively fluent in French, German, Spanish, and Italian with cultural nuance. Function calling lets it interact with tools, think calculators, APIs, or calendars, making it great for building custom AI agents. Access is flexible. Use it on LeChat, free and paid tiers, or through platforms like Azure AI. The interface is clean and straightforward, focusing on raw capability. Mistral is for users who value privacy, efficiency, and control. It's perfect for developers building local apps, European companies, or anyone who wants untethered AI. The speed is impressive, responses are fast and fluid. Mistral offers top-tier performance with an open-weight approach, empowering users and developers. It's proof you don't need to be a tech giant to compete at the highest level. For privacy, speed, and versatility, Mistral is a standout. If you want AI on your terms, Mistral delivers. It's the efficient machine for the privacy-conscious. For students, businesses, and builders, it's a smart choice. Mistral lean, fast, and fiercely independent. The future of AI is open, and Mistral is leading the way. So there you have it, 5 powerful AI systems, each with unique strengths, all outpacing ChatGPT. The era of one-size-fits-all AI is over. Now it's about picking the right tool for your needs. Whether you want scale, depth, real-time insights, open-source power, or privacy, There's an AI for you. The smartest users aren't just using AI, they're using the right AI. This competition drives innovation and gives you more options than ever. Your secret weapon? Knowing which tool to use and when. This is BrainBolt AI, helping students study smarter and succeed faster. Subscribe for tutorials and deep dives on each tool. And about that passive income strategy? Next week we'll reveal which AI students are using to create and sell digital assets. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching.